Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought this great DIY for you guys, 3D letter. This is super easy to make and very affordable. You can find all the material in your house to make this 3D letter. So let's start. For this purpose, first of all, I have taken a cardboard and I have drawn a big and wide letter T. I have cut it only one. Now we are gonna take this T and we will trace it with the help of another cardboard and then cut it out. So we will be having the two T's. Two same letters. Now carefully look at this step. I have taken some pieces of 6 centimeters in the wide length which we are going to paste on the edges. Now how we are going to paste these cardboard in the edges, let's see. I will use glue gun for this purpose because I have to make a very strong 3D letter. Just apply the glue on the strip of the cardboard. Please ignore the voice of chirping of birds on the background. This letter is very easy to make because no carving of any cardboard strip will take place in this letter. One strip is done. Now we are going to paste this second strip. Repeat the process again and again and apply glue on the edges of the strip of the cardboard and then apply the strip of the cardboard on the edge of the letter. Until I am pasting the strips, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here we can see that the pasting of the edges of the letter is almost done. Now I am applying the glue gun on the edges of the letter and I will paste another cutted letter on the cardboard like this. Apply glue on all over the edges but make sure to leave any one edge open to insert some beads or stones to make the letter heavy. This will be the final look of the letter. Now what I'm gonna do, I am gonna apply the black color spray. Shake it well before use and then apply on all over the 3D letter on the edges and on the front also. After spraying, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Until I'm spraying, I am giving you a reminder to do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. After 5 or 10 minutes, turn the letter and then apply the spray on the back side. This will be the look of your 3D letter after applying spray. I applied spray because it gives very shiny look, but if you want to apply paint, so you can easily apply paint also. As I told you before that please leave the one edge to insert the stones inside the 3D letter to make it heavy. I left this area and now I'm going to put these stones into the 3D letter T to make the 3D letter very heavy and then apply the glue on the edges to stick the leftover part of the 3D letter. Now it is very heavy. So it will easily stand on any surface. For the decoration purpose, I am gonna take this white glitter sheet, turn it over and mark 1 centimeter from the edge to bottom. Draw a straight line and cut it out. After cutting, you will get a thin strip of the foam sheet and then cut it into a wavy look as I am cutting. After cutting, peel off the sheet and then start quilling like this. Apply the glue and paste it. Now you will get a very beautiful flower. I have made many of them and then I'm gonna apply all the flowers on the edges of the 3D letter which will make it look more elegant. You can also paste any type of artificial flowers or any type of other decoration of your own choice. I hope you guys like the video, enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe, press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.